Are you tired of not knowing what stocks to pick for a safe and growing portfolio? Are you in search of the best blue-chip dividend stocks to invest in for the long term? Let's take a moment to understand what they are. Blue-chip dividend stocks are shares in high-quality, well-established companies with solid track records. They're the titans of their industries, often recognized for their stability, regular dividend payments, and potential for long-term growth. Think of companies like Apple, MasterCard, or Nike. These stocks have been the bedrock of many successful investment portfolios. Blue-chip stocks have been the cornerstone of many successful investment portfolios. Let's delve deeper into their performance over the years. What makes these blue-chip stocks so reliable? It's their history. The story of blue-chip stocks is one of consistent growth, stability, and regular dividend payments. Let's delve into this intriguing past. Imagine a time when the stock market was as turbulent as a stormy sea. Amidst the waves, certain companies stood tall, like lighthouses guiding investors towards safer waters. These were the blue-chip stocks, named after the highest valued chips in poker. They were the stalwarts, the tried and tested. Take Apple, for example, a company that started in a garage and grew into a tech titan with a market cap larger than many countries' GDP. Throughout its journey, Apple has weathered many storms, but its stock has remained a reliable bet, consistently paying dividends to its shareholders. Or consider Berkshire Hathaway, the investment vehicle of the legendary Warren Buffett. Its stock price may be sky high, but it's a testament to the company's continuous growth and stability. Over the years, Berkshire Hathaway has consistently delivered solid returns to its investors. Then there's Coca-Cola, a brand that's been around for over a century and is known worldwide. Even during economic downturns, people continue to buy their favorite fizzy drink, making Coca-Cola a stable investment that has regularly paid out dividends. Let's not forget about Johnson & Johnson and American Express. Whether it's healthcare or financial services, these companies have proven their mettle time and again, offering stability and regular dividends in industries that are integral to our daily lives. As you can see, blue-chip stocks have consistently demonstrated strength and resilience, making them a good investment for the long term. So, if you're looking for a safe harbor in the tumultuous sea of the stock market, consider adding some blue-chip stocks to your portfolio. Now that we understand the value of blue-chip stocks, which ones should we be looking at in 2024? Well, let's dive into some of the top blue-chip dividend stocks of the year. First off, we have the tech titan Apple. Known for its innovative products and robust market presence, Apple consistently delivers strong financial performance and attractive dividend payouts. Then there's MasterCard, a key player in the global payments industry. With its vast network and reliable revenue stream, MasterCard is another blue-chip stock that offers steady dividends. Broadcom, a leading semiconductor company, also makes the list. Despite the cyclical nature of the chip industry, Broadcom has managed to maintain a steady growth trajectory and rewarding dividend policy. Nike, the world-renowned sportswear brand, is another blue-chip stock to consider. With its strong brand image and global market reach, Nike offers investors stability and regular dividends. NextEra Energy, a leading clean energy company, is also a top pick. Its consistent performance and commitment to sustainable energy make it a prime choice for long-term investment. Looking at the financial sector, JPMorgan Chase & Co. stands out. With its robust business model and regular dividend payouts, it's a solid choice for investors seeking stability and income. Walmart, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, AbbVie, Coca-Cola, Goldman Sachs, and Honeywell International also come highly recommended. These companies, with their large market capitalization, steady earnings, and consistent dividend payouts, offer a mix of stability and income potential that's hard to ignore. These companies are considered good investments due to a variety of factors. Their large market cap speaks to their size and stability. Their average annualized return gives a glimpse into their historical performance. Their forward PE ratio indicates potential future earnings, and their dividend yields offer regular income. Investing in these blue-chip dividend stocks could be a smart move for your long-term investment strategy. So, what have we learned about blue-chip dividend stocks? Well, we've dived deep into the world of these high-quality, well-established companies that have a history of solid performance. We've seen how these stocks offer stability and consistent growth over time, making them a smart choice for investors of all levels. Their attractive risk-reward profiles make them a staple in many portfolios, and for a good reason. We've also noted the significance of dividend payments. These payouts are a key aspect of blue-chip stocks, providing an additional income stream and further enhancing their appeal. And of course, we've highlighted some of the top blue-chip stocks to consider in 2024. These include giants like Apple, JP Chase, and Coca-Cola, among others. Each of these companies not only boasts a large market cap and steady earnings, but also pays dividends, making them compelling choices for long-term investment. So, as you venture into your investment journey, keep these key points in mind. Blue-chip dividend stocks offer a blend of stability, growth, and income that few other investments can match. Remember, investing in blue-chip dividend stocks is not just about the here and now, but also about securing your financial future. Happy investing.